I remember you, red yellow lights, cars on wet asphalt in early winter, late spring. I stand smoking in a balcony door, dripping the sudden creaking bolts of electricity. You were my grace when I was insane in the capital, where I was a bastard of history. Capital with no country, sour secrets in cheap apartments, cheap tea, cheap comfort, tram station, tunnels, a labyrinth of forgotten roads, blood washed off tattooed earth. You strike without borders. Ice and fire between your feet, weapon of no choice, tears come home, salt melts, liquids boil. I remember your touch, you heal the hard way, you heal with sound, you heal with anger. Shattered trees and houses, I am nothing in your presence. Blue feeding green, the air is heavy, I feel light, I feel skin evaporating. Just to give everything back, time flowing back into stone. Our bodies revive with mud grass and petals and sudden silence.